We first have to navigate to the start menu. Then on this interface, make sure to right click and then proceed to tap on device manager. Then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And under device manager, we have a tons of options. Make sure to scroll until you locate network adapters and make sure to tap on this arrow. In this case, I'm using the Realtek USB GB family control. Then proceed to tap on it. Then continue to tap on advanced. Then you need to scroll down until you locate speed. In my case, we have speed and duplex, and with the value I'm going to make the necessary change here. So if yours is 100 megabyte per second or is any of the values, you can proceed to increase it either 1 gigabyte per second and then tap on OK, or you can also proceed to select auto negotiation and then make sure to select on OK, and this will fix your Ethernet speed capped at 100 megabyte per second. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.